Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually packing for San Diego. Sorry the background noise, I'm watching Scandal. I got back into it and I'm just obsessed. As you guys can tell, my hair's darker. I actually did a light golden brown, but bitch, this shit's dark. It's dark, so I'm gonna keep washing it with the Suave clarifying shampoo, I think it is. So it can keep getting lighter. I definitely want it to be a lighter brown so I can go, I don't know, I just feel like I needed a break, and I do want to go light again eventually. Maybe later on in the summer I'm like gonna go in with like highlights and stuff. I just want like a different kind of blonde, if you know what I mean. I was kind of over the gray, and I feel like honestly like doing this, I did this on Sunday night. I feel like I can do more makeup looks, and I'm liking my makeup a lot more lately. So yeah, it's fun. It's a nice little change, but it will be lightening up and I'm excited for it too. So I'm actually gonna be cropping some t-shirts for this trip just because I don't know, I really wanted some Champion shirts for the longest. So I got the men's medium, and it's just like the regular short sleeve, and then I got another men's medium in the long sleeve. I only got medium just because I wanted it to be a little bit looser. I didn't want it to be like super form-fitting. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and crop them, and we're actually going to the San Diego Zoo safari thing, so I might wear one of these depending on how cold it is or how hot it is. Yeah, I'm gonna be cropping these. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. Again, it's a medium in men's and it's like hella long. It's like a dress. But I'm trying to see where I want to cut it. I think I want to cut it to about I think I'll do about here. So I really like how this turned out. I'm not gonna cut the long sleeve though, because I kind of liked how it looked just like that. I don't know, I'm debating it, but this one for sure I liked cropped. But I tried that one on again and I liked it all the way full length. I don't know, but not for the trip. I'm not gonna crop it. I don't know if I'm gonna crop it later on, but this one I'm taking for sure. Have to chill for a bit to watch one of my best friend's vlogs, and dude, she's fucking funny. She's in New York right now and her vlogs are just hella lit right now.
So we're right here in front of the Trump Tower, and all we want to say is fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump.
Ray Shermer dropped another song and I am obsessed. Yes. It's called Guatemala. It's like, I don't know, I have unforgettable vibes. Like that song Unforgettable. I don't know, it's good. I feel like it's gonna be the summer jam.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like.
How do you feel today? Are you excited
Dude,
to go
I
to
need
Petco?
to go to the bathroom.
We drove all this way to go to Petco.
Why are you whispering?
Petco Park. Am I ugly right now?
Yeah. All the time.
I can't wait to put on my makeup. Dude, I deleted like over 600 pictures last night. So I have room for this vacation. Oh my god, I have a pimple growing in the back of my ear. It hurts so bad.
That's gross. I'm gonna edit that out. all of a sudden your camera's shy. Don't. Please edit that out.
No. Alright, so I finally checked in. My parents and Katie went to the store to go get like beer and stuff. To get ready because we're gonna go to the game tonight. It's 4 o'clock. The game starts at 7, I believe, so I have a little bit of time. Like, it's more humid here and I feel like it really got to my hair. Like, I look like a caveman right now. Anyway, though.
Heads up, if the Padres hit a home run tonight, be sure to visit your local San Diego Jack in the Box tomorrow to receive a free Jumbo Jack with the purchase of our 360 Chicken McNuggets at McDonald's. Download the McDonald's app to redeem at participating locations.
You guys hear this guy? He's literally just casually smoking. This guy right here in the next car. He's just smoking a blunt. Here, oh, get in the backseat, girl. Trying to get in the car. He's smoking a blunt and blasting his music. Here, hold the camera. Sorry. He's blasting his music and his bass is so high you can't even hear what he's listening to. What the heck?
That one is 40. That one, I'm gonna show my Chicali style.
A ver.
Ready?
Just kidding. It means just kidding.
Did you get it?
Yeah. We got home from the game. We lost 5-1. Stop!
I'm sorry.
It kind of sucked that we lost that bad, but it was fun. The park was really nice, huh, Katie?
Yeah.
It was really like we go to Chase Field all the time in Phoenix, and it's not as nice. Well, it's because it's more modern and like the roof closes and everything, but it's just, to me, it's just not as nice. Oh yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be going to the Safari.
The Safari Zoo?
Safari Zoo.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
I honestly feel like it'll be a cool experience. So yeah, we're gonna get up hella early for that. What time? Does anybody know what time it is? I have no idea what time it is.
10:45.
Also, I do have to say, San Diego smells like weed. All of it.
What?
You're telling me? Well, I don't even. Yeah, she has no idea. But Jessica. All of San Diego smells like weed. We're in the car on the freeway and it smells like weed. So it's whatever. I mean, I don't really mind, but it was just a cool little observation. But yeah, this is the end of day 1. I just wanted to end this vlog right here. And shout out to my sister that actually participated in the vlog today.
I got you.
I appreciate you. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And do you know my outro? And I'll see you when I see you. Bye, guys.
Watch the breakdown.